Hello, children. What is this? This is a cat. This is a mouse. Now, listen a story about a cat and a mouse. ଗୋଟିଏ ବିଲେଇ ଥିଲା। ସେ ଭୋକିଲା ଥିଲା। ଗୋଟିଏ ମୂଷା ଥିଲା। ମୂଷା ତା ଗାତ ଭିତରେ ଥିଲା। ବିଲେଇ ବାହାରକୁ ଆସ ପାଗଟି ହୋଇଛି ବଢ଼ିଆ। ମୂଷା କହିଲା ଗାତ ଭିତରେ ରହିଲେ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ହେବ ବଢ଼ିଆ। There was a cat. The cat was hungry. There was a mouse. The mouse was inside his hole. Cat. Come out, come out. The weather is cool. Mouse. It's good for me to stay in my hole.